right, y'all, Hookset Crew, what it do? Day number 2. We weren't sure, it started raining when we took out the raft yesterday. So we weren't really sure what the weather was gonna do. It said it was a 100% chance of rain all day today. So we're kind of just running and gunning from the truck, kind of shore womping, checking out spots on the river. So let's see if it produces, and follow along, man. Like and subscribe to videos. Again, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick. This is the Hookset Crew, and fishing with Emerald Water Guide Service up here in Northern California, and the fishing has been fire. So book a trip, let's go. Yeah, buddy. Sweet.
To start,
It is.
little half pounder on a Duracell.
On the Duracell?
Yeah,
Nice.
I'll take it. See.
All right, Kaz just picked up a little guy. That was cool. Right off the jump. That was pretty rad. Let's get a line in.
This side like that, yes. Roll to the side. Put it to the side. Take your hand off the crank. Don't even touch it. If he's doing anything. Put it over to the side. Rod it over to the side. Down. Move that.
Coming in. Coming in. Shit. Oh, I'm shaking. Coming in.
Lift up a little. Yeah. If he wants to go, let him go. Now go again. Get the rod tip over towards me if you can.
Oh.
It's okay. Doing good. Just let him go if he wants to go. So bring him to me, lift up.
Yes! Yes!
Wild.
Yeah, baby.
Big wild fish.
Yeah, baby. Yes. Yes.
Tagged. Might be worth some money.
And we're full stoke.
Dude, you got
We're
that.
full stoke.
You basically
We're full stoke.
caught the biggest steelhead you've ever caught on your own. I didn't even tell you what to do.
Oh, I've been watching, and you have been telling. Well, like, yeah, I've been studying.
Nice.
Look at my bobber. Look how low it is.
Nice fish. Okay. Actually, you have a different a Duracell.
It's not a Duracell?
It's a knockoff.
Got it. Okay.
Oh. Okay, it's coming out.
Oh shit, Kaz. Let's go, baby.
Dude, this is a good one, my friend.
Let's go. Super stoked.
Yeah, you did great, dude. They fight like fucking crazy.
Dude, that's full shake. Full froth action.
This is on 6-pound test.
There it is. Beauty, wild steelhead.
Yes, baby.
Great job, Nick.
All right, let's let her go. I love it.
Well, congratulations.
You gotta come here. You gotta get over here. You gotta get out here. Emerald Waters Guide Service, you gotta come. Oh my gosh, dude.
Nice work.
Hookset Crew getting it done.
They're like, oh, we're gonna get them right away.
Yeah.
Like, no, they're just
Yeah.
feeling you out.
Got it.
That was a decent sized fish.
Yeah.
And so sometimes they're just like, what is that? And they just come with it, and then they're like, oh crap.
Fuck you. Ah.
He came in, he went, and then he went down again. You got him up in here, he came out.
Yeah.
He was not having it.
No, he wasn't.
No. But you had other plans for him.
Dude, that was amazing. That was so cool.
That was a good one.
Bobber down.
And you did it. You casted, you mended, you were ready.
It looked good.
He said,
It looked good.
Yeah,
The drift looked good.
when it looks good, they're more than likely, they're more willing.
Yeah.
Definitely not every good one gets bit,
True.
but the more good ones you get in there, increase your chances.
And I set up.
Good job.
And I set up. Oh shit, dude.
That was a fucking good.
Wow.
It's like I saw you bent, and then all of a sudden I saw the fish roll, and I was like,
Cause you were down by him, right? You seen him?
saw it, and then I was like, oh shit. Put it over the side there.
Okay.
You can strip in a little if you can. Wants to go, let him go.
He's taking, baby. Yep. Yep. Oh, come on, come on. Nope. He's coming. Come on, Kaz.
Yeah.
Yes, dude.
Bright. Really bright fish.
Bam, baby.
Dude, look at this slab. Look at how clean it is. Look at how clean that is. Oh my god. Dude, you're a regular slayer over here.
You taught me the ways, brother.
Look at that.
You taught me the freaking ways, dude. Look at this thing, dude.
My god.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That's a stud. Hell yeah. Why don't you put him in the net here?
Hookset Crew, baby. My biggest one. Gorgeous. Let's let her go. Right towards Kaz. Right between his legs. That was sick. Yes. Yes, sir. In the rain, he's tugging. Let's go, baby. He's just chilling right there, huh? Nice and easy. Man, little afternoon update. Taking a rest on the bank it's raining. So I go run back to the truck. The truck's locked in the back. Had to run back, get the keys, do a handoff, go get the bigger net. And man, I couldn't see him. He was maybe 4 feet in front of me, like this whole time. And I'm kind of moving down the bank, going down the bank, and I just couldn't see him. And got lucky, and it came together, dude. That was so freaking rad. So pumped right now. What a crazy day. Putting in the work in the rain, and you get paid off. This is fucking amazing. Oh, trip is fire. Let's go, baby. Hookset Crew. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Boom! Kaz is on. He was. Ooh, he's a nice one, bro. I think that was first cast. Nice.
Don't scare him. He's right at you.
Yep.
He's on the little bug.
Dude, you guys won't even believe it. What just happened though? Kaz hooked, I got the fight on camera. Kaz hooked a mammoth, a fucking huge steelhead. Sorry for me cussing, but dude, I botched the net job, bro. I botched the net job. He got hung up in my freaking waders and snapped off, and I was crying. And this dude just freaking hooked a tank. Another one. Redemption. Look at him. Oh my God.
I'm shaking.
Oh my God.
I'm literally shaking.
Look at the tail. Look at the tail.
I'm shaking.
Oh my. Look at that thing, dude. Look at that thing.
Ready for the...
What a fish. Dude, he's gonna cross?
Getting that? I hope. It's crazy to think that here we are, round 4 of the day, our 4th spot we're fishing. And I've been trying to catch a big fish all day. You know, I hooked a few half pounders, or I don't know, almost like freaking 10 half pounders, and a couple barely illegals, but was really wanting to get an adult steelhead in spot number 2 for the day. I hooked 2 dandies and lost them both, which was kind of disappointing. We then went to another spot farther upriver, you know, after lunch, to just, you know, check it out. What's it like upriver? We've been doing pretty good down here. And went upriver. I caught 2 half pounders. Really pretty. Water looked great. There just didn't seem to be anybody home. So we decided to come back downriver for round 4. And we walked down here. I walk up into the head of the run. First cast, hang a freaking monster. Oh my God. It was huge and beautiful. It had to be every bit of 25, 26 inches, if not more. And on a fly eye tide, I was super pumped, and it kind of went haywire at the end, and we lost it at the net. It dogged Nick and went between his legs, and the fly hung his waders, and it broke off.
Couldn't scoop it,
And,
totally debauched it.
He beat us, you know, the fish won. We were a little disappointed,
To say the least.
obviously, because we had a chance at probably the nicest steelhead of the day. And then a few casts later, I had another ripper down there jumping, spit the hook. You know, I was trying to not get frustrated. I just kind of came up here. I shortened up my leader just a hair and came up here, fished it out, and dude, hooked a freaking donkey on the other side of the river. And we were able to land it. Steelhead of the day, by far, 25-inch wild buck, beautiful as they come. And I'm just feeling so blessed to be able to come up here, 4th spot of the day, hook 2 monsters, land one of them, getting bit. I got 3 times, bit 3 times right over here within the last 10 minutes.
Last spot of the day.
And it's just kind of last spot of the day. We just had a family of deer across the river right next to us, and feeling pretty good about the day. Pretty good day. Fall steelhead fishing with the boys, and just feeling blessed to be able to just spend time on the water. Good productive time, catching awesome, beautiful, hard fighting fish.
It seems like I keep getting repeatedly bit right there.
It's like even more the energy or the work, right? Like fishing, it takes, you got to work to like buy the gear, and then you got to take the time off, and you got to do whatever, you know, all the work and everything involved and just to get to go fishing. And then like, it's just more of the work, like tying your flies.
Yeah, I think
And
it's
like,
more of the preparation.
yeah.
Like what are they eating right now, or what are some patterns they can make, and make them maybe bigger and smaller in different colors to see if
What works, right?
something
Different, a variety of baits.
better.
In.
I think I hit a big dog set there. As in, did it the wrong way.
Yeah, I get it. Oh, shit.